Hey everyone, welcome back to the Autopedia channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics for SUV buyers, finding a compact SUV that offers a roomy interior while keeping those long-term running costs low. Whether you're managing a busy family schedule, planning weekend adventures, or simply looking for an efficient ride to ease your daily commute, this video has everything you need. We're not just talking about the sticker price. There's so much more to owning an SUV, from reliability and maintenance expenses to interior space that suits your lifestyle. And to help you avoid any buyer's remorse down the line, we're also revealing the worst year to buy used for each model. Let's kick things off with the 2025 Honda CR-V, a perennial favorite and powerhouse in the compact SUV segment. The Honda CR-V is celebrated for its rock-solid reliability, boasting an average annual repair cost of only $450 and just 2 reported recalls. This means you can spend more time enjoying your ride and less time worrying about unexpected repairs. The CR-V's cabin is intelligently designed, providing over 76 cubic feet of cargo space, perfect for family road trips, hauling sports equipment, or even fitting in a week's worth of groceries with ease. It comes equipped with modern safety features and a suite of family-friendly technologies. And if you're looking to reduce your environmental footprint, there's even a hybrid variant available. Just a friendly tip, if you're considering a used Honda CR-V, be sure to steer clear of the 2011 models, as those tend to be the least reliable in the lineup. Next on our list is the Toyota RAV4, a name that has become almost synonymous with quality and dependability in the SUV world. The RAV4 is slightly more compact than some of its rivals, yet it still offers a well-thought-out interior with 69.8 cubic feet of cargo space. One of the biggest selling points for the RAV4 is its record of 0 recalls, a true testament to its reliability. With an average yearly maintenance cost of just $480, this model delivers a smooth, comfortable ride that is ideal for both daily commuting and longer family trips. It's designed to meet the needs of modern drivers without the unnecessary frills. And if you're looking at the used market, avoid the 2019 models, which have shown some signs of wear. Moving on, let's talk about the 2025 Kia Sportage, which offers a wonderful blend of style, practicality, and everyday performance. Under the modest 187 horsepower engine, the Sportage is built to handle daily errands and family outings without breaking a sweat. Its interior is spacious, with around 74.1 cubic feet of cargo space, ensuring you have plenty of room for all your gear. The Sportage is also designed with versatility in mind, boasting a towing capacity of up to 2,500 pounds. It's ready for those off-road adventures or towing your favorite recreational equipment. With an average annual repair cost of $500, it's both stylish and economical. However, if you're in the market for a used Sportage, be mindful of the 2012 models, which have been known to be less reliable. Now, let's shift our focus to the Nissan Rogue, a compact SUV that exudes upscale comfort and modern sophistication. The Rogue's interior is thoughtfully arranged to make the most of every inch of space, delivering an impressive 74.1 cubic feet of cargo room and comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers. This makes it a fantastic option for small families or anyone who needs a little extra room for passengers and cargo. The Nissan Rogue manages to blend luxury and affordability with an average repair cost of $510 per year and only 1 reported recall. This combination of high-end features and low ownership costs makes the Rogue a standout in its class. Just a word of advice for used car buyers: avoid the 2013 models, as they tend to be less robust than later versions. Next up is the Mitsubishi Outlander, a model that might not always be top of mind, but definitely deserves a closer look. The Outlander offers a comfortable and enjoyable ride, thanks to its well-cushioned seats and smooth suspension system. One of its most notable features is the option for a third row, which adds significant versatility for larger families or those who occasionally need extra seating. Although its cargo space is somewhat limited at 64.3 cubic feet compared to some rivals, the Outlander still holds its own with an average annual repair cost of $540. Despite having a higher number of recalls than some other models, most issues are typically resolved at no extra cost, which helps keep long-term expenses in check. Just be cautious in the used market. The 2018 models have shown a few reliability concerns that you might want to avoid. For those who crave a bit of luxury without the premium price tag, the 2025 Lexus NX is a compelling choice. This compact SUV delivers a premium experience with its plush seating, cutting-edge technology, and a cabin that exudes sophistication. Although the Lexus NX offers a slightly more compact cargo space of 46.9 cubic feet, it is perfectly designed for those who prioritize comfort and style. With an average annual repair cost of $540 and a spotless record with 0 recalls, the NX proves that you can enjoy a touch of luxury while keeping maintenance costs manageable. However, if you're considering a used Lexus NX, it's best to avoid the 2021 models, which have been noted for certain issues that might affect their long-term reliability. Next in line is the GMC Terrain, which offers a near-luxury experience without an overwhelming price tag. The Terrain's design is both functional and stylish, featuring a boxy architecture that maximizes interior space to provide 63.5 cubic feet of cargo room. It comes packed with an array of high-tech amenities designed to enhance both comfort and safety, making it a well-rounded option for daily driving and family outings alike. With an average annual repair cost of $570, the GMC Terrain strikes a great balance between luxury and practicality. If you're looking at a used Terrain, steer clear of the 2011 models, as they have been reported to be less reliable compared to later versions. Now, let's talk about the Buick Envista, a sleek and sporty SUV that perfectly blends modern aesthetics with a high-tech, user-friendly interior. The Envista is designed for those who want a vehicle that looks as good as it performs, even if its cargo space is more modest at 42 cubic feet. Despite this, the Buick Envista doesn't compromise on quality. It delivers a near-luxury driving experience with an average annual repair cost of $620. Because it's a relatively new model with a strong reputation for reliability, there isn't a specific worst year to avoid in the used market, which makes it a safe and attractive option for buyers looking for both style and functionality. For the adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts among you, the redesigned 2025 Subaru Forester is a must-see. Renowned for its rugged build and all-weather capabilities, the Forester offers a spacious and versatile interior with an impressive 74.4 cubic feet of cargo room. This SUV is built to handle everything from snowy winter roads to weekend trails, making it a perfect companion for those who love to explore. While its average annual maintenance cost is on the higher side at $650, the Forester's durability and performance ensure that you're making a smart investment in the long run. However, if you're considering a used Forester, it's best to avoid the 2014 models, which have shown some reliability concerns. Finally, we arrive at the 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan, a compact SUV that truly stands out for its premium quality and extra room. The Tiguan is all about delivering a refined driving experience with a meticulously designed cabin that features high-end materials and advanced infotainment systems. With a generous cargo space of 73.4 cubic feet and the option for a third row, the Tiguan is ideal for growing families or those who need additional storage space for longer journeys. It does come with the highest average annual repair cost on our list at $700, but for many buyers, the luxury, advanced safety features, and overall performance justify the extra expense. Just remember, if you're looking at a used Tiguan, steer clear of the 2018 models, which have been flagged for potential issues. In today's fast-paced world, choosing the right compact SUV isn't just about picking the flashiest model. It's about finding the perfect balance between interior space, comfort, and long-term affordability. Whether you're drawn to the roomy and reliable Honda CR-V, the time-tested dependability of the Toyota RAV4, or the premium allure of the Volkswagen Tiguan, Each of these vehicles has been carefully evaluated to ensure they deliver on both performance and cost effectiveness. And with our added tip on the worst years to buy used, you can avoid potential pitfalls that might otherwise lead to costly repairs and headaches down the road. Remember, the true cost of ownership extends far beyond the initial purchase price. It's about those recurring repair bills, the ease of maintenance, and how well the vehicle adapts to your ever-changing lifestyle. So take your time, do your research, and choose an SUV that not only meets your current needs, but will continue to serve you reliably for years to come. If you found this deep dive helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth automotive reviews and buying guides, and drop a comment below, letting us know which compact SUV caught your eye. Your feedback helps us bring you more of the content you love. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart choices on the road lead to a smoother ride and a healthier wallet. Until next time, drive safe and stay savvy.